How to pay Grab PayLater. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we will learn how we can pay for Grab PayLater. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to pay on Grab using the PayLater feature, what you can do is you can go ahead and then first launch the Grab app. Depending upon wherever you're from, you'll find a finance option from the bottom of the menu. When you go to your Finance tab from the Grab app, select the option Pay Later. Then from there, you'll see a list of your Pay Later bills like postpaid or installments. Tap on the specific bill that you want to settle. Then tap on Pay Now, Pay in Full, or Pay Partially to proceed with the payment. Then you can choose your preferred payment method. And that way you'll be able to pay on Grab using Pay Later. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.